It is important to draw wisdom from many different places. If we take it from only one place, it becomes rigid and stale.
Perfection and power are overrated. I think you are very wise to choose happiness and love.
How's it going, Rockstars? Welcome to another video. So what we're doing today is we're installing these Öhlins DFV RSG Spec coilovers on this Rio yellow Honda S2000. The spring rates are 12 in the front, 10 in the rear. So usually Öhlins makes 10K, 8K rear, but these are the special RSG Spec 12K in the front, 10K in the rear, and you could get them exclusively through us, Rockstar Garage. And you could go through Öhlins, but the premium would be much different, much more expensive. So when you receive your coilovers, there will be some assembly required, actually all assembly required. You're gonna have to put it together, unless you want to take it to a shop and have them do it. Perfectly okay, we could do it for you as well. So if you're doing it yourself, please refer to the instructions, which is of course included. Alrighty guys, now that these Öhlins coilovers are fully assembled, Eddie is going to start with removing the stock suspension and installing these new Öhlins coilovers, as well as some new wheels and tires. They're going with a classic Volt TE37. Along with these kicks, bronze aluminum lug nuts. Alright, and Eddie makes short work of the front coilovers, has them installed, and I put the wheels on, test fit them just to see how they look. These TEs are probably my all-time favorite wheels of all time, my favorite wheels of all time. And this color combo, let me know in those comments guys, you agree, right? Alrighty Rockstars, now moving on to the rear suspension. Side note, you're going to have to remove your filler neck and push it over to the side to access the top hat. There it is right there. There we go, we got the rear suspension out. Now, of course, after installing suspension, the first thing you should do is have your vehicle aligned, and that's what we're doing here. Eddie's going to do a quick alignment. The customer requested to have -3 camber in the rear, and I think it came out looking absolutely perfect. What do you guys think? Alright, Rockstars, are you ready to see the finished product? If this car isn't a 10 out of 10 in your book, you are watching the wrong channel. It's so awesome that this NSX is here. These last few shots came out wonderful. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.